patio gym got a sweet new addition of an indoor trainer, so now I can get my cardio in doing some Zwift on the old laptop. Problem is, the only place to put my laptop is on the weight rack, and now with my bike facing sideways, that end is totally blocked off. Ideally, I'd face my bike this way, but where do I put my laptop? Presenting this old plant stand that I found on the side of the road. Plus a piece of scrap wood. Ta-da! Just kidding, we're going to actually make it nice, starting with whatever gray paint we have in the garage. Better, but that granny looking foo-foo top tier has to go. Got that top bit off, but unfortunately the stress has popped one of the welds. Since I don't have the knowledge or equipment to weld it, or even a decent adhesive on hand, I resorted to using electrical tape. I ended up stopping by our helpful hardware store and picking up a little bit of this and that to put it all together. I spent $5 on these thingers and these rubber end caps, which are actually thread protectors for the feet. It was pretty easy, and I made sure to put one over the electrical tape mended one. Caps are a little loose, so I put a drop of silicone in the bottom of each one just to stick them on there well. For the wood, I just did a light sanding followed by some polyurethane. Now, instead of the clamps, I was going to sandwich two pieces of board around the plant stand, and so to do that I drilled two big holes in the top board and I was going to lag them together. Since I changed that plan, now I have to cover those holes. Luckily I have this big old roll of cork. Totally not required, but you know, I want to make it nice. Just a couple of zhuzhes of spray glue and we're good to go. So after a couple hours and $5 later, I can now Zwift in any direction I want. When not in use, it's a nice place to store some supplies, or it tucks neatly away with the other accessories.